When they talk about an open pipe in physics, and they talk about these nodes and antinodes, what are they talking about? Well, here's what's physically going on. You've got this pipe, it's open at both ends, and you've got pressure changes, and you've got position changes. What's happening is it's as if the pipe is breathing, okay? Because when you inhale, it's like you're taking air in. This pipe is sucking air in on both sides. And it's piling up in the middle. So you have this high concentration, a high air pressure in the middle. So that high pressure is the top of that curve. Now, at the ends, we have what are called pressure nodes. The pressure here is 1 atmosphere, right? Because you can't support anything else. That's like me trying to lean on air, right? It doesn't work. So the pressure is going to be a node at the ends. Meanwhile, delta X is talking about how far the air has moved. Well, in this situation, some of this air has moved to the right, and so we have a positive delta X, while this air has moved to the left, which is a negative delta X. So we have positive delta X to negative delta X, and that's saying, that's like the inhale. The pipe now has a concentration of air in there. What happens next? The pipe exhales. And when it does so, you have very little air in here. I'm exaggerating a lot. These are tiny pressure differences. But, the pressure is low here, and that's the lower than average value. We still have the case that it's ordinary air pressure on the ends. And now what's happened is all the air on this side has gone left, so that's negative. And all the air on this side has gone right, so that's positive displacement. So pressure and displacement have their nodes and antinodes swapped in opposite positions. Like if you have a closed pipe, then you can lean on it, right? You can have whatever kind of pressure you want. You end up with a pressure antinode at a closed end. But the displacement has to be a node because you can't go through the wall. So when you close the end of the pipe, it's like all the nodes and antinodes are swapped. That's the physical picture of what's going on when you have a pipe open at both ends. And this is what's called the fundamental.